Hello everyone, Service you again, giving you bits of random learning bites. For this video, I will be talking about how to set up your online broadcaster software or the OBS using a single monitor setup. I will be discussing the basic parts of the OBS interface and how you are going to add basic components for you to be able to record your video lectures. And before anything else, please do not forget to subscribe. And if you want something for me to cover in my later videos, then please comment down below. Now, let's get into the details of this tutorial. So, assuming you already have installed the online broadcaster software, what you are going to do is to run your PowerPoint presentation and run your OBS software. Before going into recording, you have to set up your scenes, sources, and your audio mixer. For the newly installed OBS, you will have the default scene, and this is your first scene. By the time you will add a scene, add scene window will pop up, will prompt you to enter the name of your scene. So for this particular example, say for scene number 2, I will assign it as my camera only. So that would be me only. Next, I will add my PPT only. Next, I will add another scene that's me and my PPT. So with that particular scenes I already have defined, I will add sources in each of these scenes. For example, okay, for me only, of course, I will add in the source window, I will add video capture and a background image. For my video, I will add video devices. For my case, I have multiple options. And if I will choose Logitech Braille, then you will see that there's a pop-up window with the red rectangular box and my video capture within. This is the default video capture of the OBS. Since I have a camera which is capable of recording much bigger resolution, I will change the resolution to customs. I will choose the resolution value of 1920 by 1080p. So as you can see, the dimension of the video has been changed. Now I would crop the portions of my video capture by simply pressing Alt and the right click and drag on my mouse. I can do that in all sides of my video capture image. Since I am using a green screen, I will now use filter effects. Under filter effects, I can choose chroma key. Since I am using a green screen, though I have the option to use blue and magenta, I will just use green because my background screen is green. Then I will just make few adjustments in similarity, smoothness, and all other parameters in this filter window. Then I will lock this image and add a background image. I already have prepared a background image using another free software, that's the GIMP. Then I will just add this image as my background. As you notice, the background image is on top of my video capture device. So what I am going to do is to simply drag this image below the video capture device. So that would be for my scene me only. For my PPT only scene, I will add a source that is window capture because the purpose of this is to capture the window of my PowerPoint slide. So once you select the window capture device, these properties of window capture window will pop up. Then I will choose PowerPoint.exe with the file name of my PowerPoint slides. After choosing that, I can now adjust using the same function. Press Alt, then drag and right click and drag in your mouse. Then lock that window. For my third scene, that's named me and my PPT, since I already have an existing my PPT, I will not add a window, but I will add scene because I already had made adjustments in my my PPT scene. So I can add my PPT scene directly to my third scene as the source. Then after that, I will add my video capture device. Then the same, I can make few adjustments, and once I am satisfied, I can lock my sources. Now, for the settings, just go to the settings and the hotkeys window. Then assign a shortcut key. For me, I will assign me only as Alt 1, me and my PPT as Alt 3, my PPT only as Alt 2. Then for other settings, you can leave it as it is. Okay, let us try. So this is my presentation. Now let's go back to settings for our audio mixer. In the settings, we will go to the audio tab, and we have to enable the devices for the desktop audio, as that is the output, and the input for mic auxiliary audio. Then just click apply. Then you simply now can start your recording. So that's basically how you are going to set up your OBS in a single monitor setup with your PowerPoint slides on the half of your screen and the OBS on the other half of your screen. Again, this has been Sir Visio at your service, giving you bits of random learning bites.